When this bridge opened in 1924, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world, a feat of engineering that changed the Hudson Valley forever. It didn't just span water, it connected communities and opened new paths for travel and commerce. Before its construction, crossing the Hudson River required ferries or long detours. The bridge transformed regional mobility, making it easier for people to travel, trade, and explore. Towns that were once isolated became part of a growing network of commerce and tourism. The Hudson Valley soon became a destination. Visitors could reach scenic parks and trails that had once been difficult to access. Landmarks like the Appalachian Trail and Bear Mountain gained new popularity, drawing hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. Structures like this represented human ambition, the ability to overcome natural barriers and reshape geography. In the early 20th century, suspension bridges symbolized progress, connecting people in ways that were once unimaginable. Today, the bridge remains a vital part of the region's infrastructure and identity. It stands as a reminder of how engineering can shape society, not just by moving vehicles, but by connecting ideas and communities. From 1924 to today, this structure has witnessed change. The Hudson Valley evolved around it, a region shaped by movement, opportunity, and the passage of time. Every landmark tells a story. This is one of them. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more drone explorations, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow.